Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're going to be making a jig for tags. Um, I use a bunch of tags to make different things, anywhere from keychains to, necklace tags. I have a piece of scrap wood here. We're going to go ahead and try to use this real fast. I went in and threw a tag on here. First thing we're going to do is trace out the tag so we can get a shape. I'm just going to adjust this until I get it right. All I want is the outer rim. Yeah, that looks pretty good right there. Yeah, I'll stay right around here. Hit OK. I have it on fill mode, so that's why it's all black right now. Haven't done anything like this, so we're going to learn together. Watch my mistakes. I'll have plenty of them. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger just so there's room. Copy and paste. I'm just going to have it set up for 4. Go ahead and select them all and we'll line them up here. Now that I got them aligned, space. Oh, that's not right. I need to align them at the top. Like I said, I'm new. I'm not a professional at this. Just having fun, showing you as I go. We'll go ahead and frame it. That looks pretty good. Good size. I need enough room where I can put my circles in it. So I forgot to put a little space here where you could use your finger to grab it and take it out. So let me go ahead and do that real fast. And there we go. That looks good. All right, copy, paste. You know what? I think I'm just going to delete this. We'll delete these 3 and just copy and paste the new one I already made. Be quicker this way. Now I'll have to realign them and space them out again. Mistakes after mistakes. Easy fixes though. There we go. Now we're all lined up. Oops, I forgot to group them all before I did this. Let me back up and do that again. So what I'm doing is didn't realize my microphone was muted for a second. I'm putting circles in. I'm going to put crosshairs in there. I use them all in my templates on my jigs. This way you can line up with your laser easier. Yep, I'm just going to go ahead and delete it and copy and paste. And I put these always in the middle and on the sides. Align those two up so they're even. Gonna do the same here. And I'm thinking I'm just gonna add more circles anyways. I'm not sure why I'm gonna do this. Highlight the three, align them again. Just gonna bring them down just a little bit so they're not touching. Highlight those three, line them up. Gonna move them up a little bit. Oops. Meant to align. There we go. Align these two. All right, that looks pretty good. I'm going to put these on a different layer. This is going to be for engraving. Set my speed and power. Oh, Not sure why my line interval was off. Go ahead and adjust it. And we're going to turn it to a line layer. So everything in black will be cut. Everything in blue will be engraved. All right, we're going to go ahead and connect the printer. Going to update the overlay. Looks good. Just going to move it off that edge a little bit. Oops. Let me group it all first. Alright, looks good, but give me so I need to put a different piece of wood in there. I had a different piece of scrap wood. After I made a box, I realized that it wasn't going to fit two pieces on there. So I'm just going to double check my speed settings and power settings for the different type of wood. Alright, we'll let this run and we'll be back. Alright, now that it's done, let's pull it off. And I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like. And here's the results. Go ahead and glue it together and show you that. And throw a tag in there. That's simple. For those of you that don't know how to use a jig, go ahead and click on the next video and I'll show you how to set it up and use it. If you're one of those people that found this useful, please subscribe, give me a like, thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.